them. Only this one.
कंग्रेचुलेशंस, आज आपकी एल्बम रिलीज होने वाली है, क्या कहना चाहेंगी अपनी एल्बम के बारे में?
Very happy first of all because I think it's a different collaboration. I think पहली बार है कि we are doing this Hindi Hebrew song and I've collaborated with my very dear friend Ilana Siger, who's from Israel, and really happy that we're launching this song today.
This is our happy day.
What do you want to say about your album? It's your album, do you have signature?
This is first of all a single. I wish it was an album, then it will be another story. But this is amazing, and it's a moment of pride for us, for both of the countries that we have collaborated, especially for our countries. So it's a good combination, I think.
So how was the experience working with each other?
Experience, it's beyond words, you know. Preeti is such a talented singer. I love her voice, and like the Hindi songs are just amazing.
Yeah, and they have this Middle Eastern texture,
Yeah.
so which was a beautiful part. So that's how we thought of collaborating, the culture from there, from Israel, and the Indian culture together and make a Hindi Hebrew song.
So it's something different, like usually Hollywood and Bollywood mixes,
Huh.
but it's something different.
Yes, it's not Hindi,
Culture,
English,
yeah.
or it's yeah.
So like, and it's between two countries. So what do you want to say, like collaboration with two countries?
Yes.
And it's a great thing, like.
Yes, it's actually a friendship song. Shalala, Shalome, Salame. So it's salam. We're it's a hello to everyone. Friendship song, and not only two different cultures coming together in one song, but I think even in the video we have parts of Israel and we have parts of India, which we have merged together in this song and tried to present it to everyone.
So any Israel song you can sing, like if you try it.
Ilana, you have to teach me that.
Yeah, I have to.
No, I do not know.
You want to sing any Israel song for your friend?
For my friend, what will I sing? I don't know.
Two lines of some song.
את פרי גנך אל תבקשי, מילך יאמר ומילך ישיב, מרכבך עוטפים הימים, נותרת לבדך עוד סע להאמין.
Beautiful. Really nice. Mwah.
And now it's your turn, you have to sing for your friend.
Sing.
She won't samjha, you like the song. There's another one which I would like to dedicate to you. Yes, I'm actually very fortunate to get blessings of so many people from the music fraternity, from the Bollywood fraternity. आप actually bites जब देखेंगे launch के time आपको पता लगेगा. And सलीम जी आ रहे हैं to launch the album. सुरेश वाडकर जी होने वाले हैं, हरिहरन जी, लेस्ली आ रहे हैं. So I'm मधुश्री जी आ रही हैं. I'm going to miss my mentor Anup Jalota ji because he's not in the country. Yes, and my family Meet Brothers, जो मेरे बहुत खास दोस्त हैं, वो भी उनका भी show है आज, so they won't be here. But yes, I'm really looking forward to so many.
So how it being like collaborating with each other? How you thought about it?
We are actually friends on Facebook.
Facebook
That's
connecting people.
interesting.
Yes. And my husband actually thought of this idea that you both are singers. She's from Israel, you're from India. Why don't you collaborate into a Hindi Hebrew song? So I said, wow, that sounds brilliant. And then we connected, and I spoke to my music composer, the Desi Dreamers. And I told them I need a little Middle Eastern flavor because we have Ilana. We're doing the project with Ilana. So उन्होंने वो तर्ज बनाई, and then Shaheen Iqbal hai, who wrote the lyrics on it. Shalom is salam hai. This is what he wrote on it, and made it a friendship song. And another thing I would like to share with you is Mr. Modi is actually very soon going to Israel. So yes, we in fact want to
Came out
dedicate
right on time.
right on time, and we want to dedicate this song to him actually for his upcoming visit to Israel
from us.
because it's a friendship song, Indo-Israel. So.
So what do you want to say to your viewers who's gonna watch this album at your own Israel language?
In my own. תודה רבה לכולם על האהבה שלכם, על התמיכה שלכם. בלעדיכם אני לא הייתי כאן. זה כיף לייצג את העם שלי, את המדינה שלי בכבוד. ואני מאחלת שיהיו לנו רק ימים טובים. Peace.
And what do you want to say to your viewers?
So I just said that I want to say that we've tried to sing our hearts out, and I really hope this reaches as many people. And that's it. Love and peace, friendship all over the world. That's all we want to convey through our song.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
मैंने गाना सुना, बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना है. मेरे ख्याल से ये पहली बार हिंदी और हिब्रू में आप किए हैं ये गाना. एंड इट्स वेरी गुड. इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन इंडिया एंड इजराइल. इट्स मोर मल्टीकल्चरल. और प्रीतिश,
What better way to make friends than do it through music?
करेक्ट
Through the
करेक्ट.
cultural sphere.
Yeah, the best way to make friends is, and आपने बहुत अच्छी गाई हैं. I personally heard the song, very nice. उनका आपका इलाना भी बहुत खूबसूरत गाई हैं, and very very casual. The whole video is so casual, like two ordinary people singing, not like stars.
Yes.
मतलब one is a Indian, one is a Israelite. So बहुत खूबसूरत रहा वो. You know, there's a casual पना जो है.
And she's taken parts from Israel, and
Yes.
we've shot parts of India.
Right.
So how did you like the combination between Israel and Bollywood?
What Bollywood? Why do you India, yeah? India is. We are talking of India, not Bollywood. Bollywood is another thing, na?
Bollywood is a film industry in India.
In India, we are talking of India
So
and
India has many.
the song. Why I'm saying is this song is not a Bollywood song. They have composed a special song.
He-
No. But we are not talking. We are talking of what do you call it? A collaboration, a friendship of two countries.
Yes.
Bollywood तो है. We are talking of musical.
Bilateral relationship.
Exactly. Yeah.
So I'll change my question. Sorry for it. Like how you like the combination of India and Israel?
It's fantastic. It's very nice. Yeah, the song is so beautiful. It's like kind of complements the language, the way she has sung. It's like an Israeli tune,
जी.
and it really goes with it.
The blend is very nice.
हाँ,
Blend is very nice.
बहुत अच्छा है.
So can you also discover products now you have? Can you tell us about regarding your related you're doing something you're doing?
Your
Yeah,
music.
I'm doing an album. I've done an album. It will come up soon. It's basically Indian classical music with different genres of electronic music.
Sir, you have a lot of experience in Bollywood. Any tips you're giving to your son?
Of course, whatever जब चाहिए वो ले सकते हैं.
For music and other things also.
Any planning in future that you will doing acting in Bollywood?
No. अभी जिम शुरू किया हूँ.
बाबा
maybe
वो से
थोड़ा होने दो.
म्यूजिशियन यार, वो म्यूजिक करने दो उसको. Right? Yeah. Thank you.
guys.
Thanks.
Thanks.
So one more for Hanga. Yes, हाँ अच्छा लगा.
हैं?
मैं तो सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देता हूँ हमारी प्रीति वुमन प्रीति भल्ला जी को, जिन्होंने बहुत खूबसूरत गाना ये कोलैबोरेशन का किया हुआ है, शलाला जिसका नाम है। और एक
Thank you so much.
एक अलग गाने की बात है जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये एल्बम सुपर डुपर हिट होगा। और मैं बहुत बहुत फिर से मुबारकबाद करता हूँ। प्रीति वुमन ने बहुत प्रीति गाना गाया हुआ है, बहुत बहुत मुबारक। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much.